I think it is good for the person to spend time alone. It gives them an opportunity to discover who they are and to figure out why they are always alone. If you want to be happy, learn to be alone without being lonely. Learn that being alone does not mean unhappy. The world is full of plenty of interesting and enjoyable things to do and people who are enriched in your life. Sometimes you just need a break in a beautiful place alone to figure everything out. The best part about being alone is that you really don't have to answer to anybody, you do what you want. Sometimes it's better to be alone, no one can hurt you that way. Sometimes you need to take a break from everyone and spend time alone to express and appreciate and love yourself. There are some places in life where you can only go alone. Embrace the beauty of your soul. You have to go ahead even if no one goes with you. If you make friends with yourself, you will never be alone. Learn to be alone and like it. There is nothing more freeing and empowering than the learning to like your own company. It is easy to stand with crowd, it takes courage to stand alone. Sometimes you need to be alone, not to be lonely, but to enjoy your free time being yourself. Once you start loving your own presence, you stop chasing people in your life. Sometimes you need to sit lonely on the floor in a quiet room in order to hear your own voice and not let drown in the noise of others. The sun is alone too and he is still shining. If you want to be strong, learn to enjoy being alone.